Have you ever wondered if blockchain has other uses beyond Bitcoin? Could it transform other industries as it did finance? Let's dive into the world of blockchain technology, a term you've probably heard tossed around, often in relation to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But what exactly is it? In its simplest essence, blockchain is a decentralized, transparent, and secure digital ledger system. Imagine a continuously growing list of records, each one linked to the one before it, forming a chain. Hence the name blockchain. But it's not just a chain of records. It's a chain of records stored on a network of computers, spread across the globe. This decentralization means that no single entity has control over the entire chain. Each block or record is transparent to all parties involved, and once a block is added, it's near impossible to alter or delete. This makes blockchain a remarkably secure system. Now you may be thinking, okay, but isn't this just the technology behind Bitcoin? Well, yes and no. While blockchain is indeed the engine that powers Bitcoin, its potential reaches far beyond the realm of finance. The principles of transparency, decentralization, and security that underpin the blockchain system have a wide range of applications. Imagine a world where you can verify the authenticity of anything from a college degree to a designer handbag instantly, without any intermediary. A world where you can trace the journey of your food from farm to table, ensuring its quality every step of the way. A world where voters can cast their ballots with absolute certainty that their vote will be counted as cast. These aren't just theoretical scenarios, they're real-world applications of blockchain technology that are being explored and implemented right now in 2024. So it's clear that blockchain is not just a fancy buzzword, or a technology that's only of interest to cryptocurrency enthusiasts. It's a revolutionary system that holds the potential to transform our world in many ways. So, if blockchain isn't just for Bitcoin, where else can we see it in action? Stay tuned as we delve into the applications of blockchain technology beyond the world of finance. Imagine a world where your medical records are secure, easily accessible, and completely under your control. That's what blockchain can do for healthcare. Blockchain, the same technology that powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, is gradually making its way into the healthcare sector. It is enhancing data security, safeguarding patient privacy, and improving interoperability. But how does all this happen? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about data security. With blockchain, every piece of medical data is stored in a decentralized manner, making it virtually impossible for hackers to corrupt or steal information. Just think of it as a digital fortress that guards your health records. Next, we have patient privacy. Blockchain introduces a level of control and privacy that's unheard of in traditional healthcare systems. With blockchain, you have the power to decide who can access your medical records. Every access, every edit, every share of your data is recorded on the blockchain, ensuring full transparency and accountability. And let's not forget about interoperability. In today's healthcare system, your medical records might be scattered across different healthcare providers, making it challenging to get a complete picture of your health history. Blockchain can solve this by creating a single, comprehensive, and easily accessible record of your health information. But don't just take our word for it. Consider the case of MedRec, a blockchain-based prototype designed to manage patient records. MedRec not only allows patients to control who has access to their healthcare data, but also incentivizes healthcare providers to maintain the integrity of these records. MedRec is just one example of how blockchain technology can revolutionize healthcare. To sum up, blockchain in healthcare is about more than just secure data. It's about giving you, the patient, the power to control your own medical records. It's about improving the way healthcare providers communicate and collaborate. It's about creating a healthcare system that's secure, transparent, and patient-centric. In healthcare, blockchain can revolutionize data management and privacy. But that's not all it can do. From farm to table or factory to store, how can we ensure transparency and traceability? The answer lies in blockchain. Imagine a world where you scan a QR code on a product and instantly you're presented with a complete tamper-proof history of that item. From its origin to its current location, every step of the way is recorded and easily accessible. This isn't a distant future, it's a reality made possible by the integration of blockchain technology in supply chain management. Blockchain serves as a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers so that any involved record cannot be altered retroactively without the alteration of all subsequent blocks. This makes the technology perfect for recording events, medical records, and other records management activities, such as supply chain management. One of the most significant pain points in supply chains today is the lack of transparency and traceability. Fraud and counterfeiting are rampant, costing businesses billions of dollars each year. Blockchain can help combat this by providing a secure and transparent way to track the movement of goods. Take De Beers, the world-renowned diamond company, for instance. They've begun using blockchain to track the journey of diamonds from the mine to the customer. This not only ensures that the diamonds are conflict-free but also provides a level of transparency and trust that was previously unattainable. Similarly, in the food industry, blockchain can provide consumers with peace of mind about the origin and safety of their food. By scanning a QR code on a package of meat, for example, consumers could access information about the animal's life, what it was fed, its veterinary care, when and where it was processed, and so much more. In essence, blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize supply chain management. By enhancing transparency, reducing fraud, and improving traceability, it can provide businesses with a competitive edge while also increasing consumer trust. So, as you can see, blockchain can ensure transparency and trust in supply chains. But can it also transform the way we vote? Voting is a fundamental right, but how can we ensure it's secure and transparent? Once again, blockchain can provide the answer. Imagine a world where voting is not only secure but also transparent, accessible, and verifiable. This is where blockchain technology shines. Blockchain, with its distributed ledger system, can ensure that every vote is recorded, verifiable, and tamper-proof. It's like having a digital ballot box that no one can manipulate. In a traditional voting system, there's always a risk of fraud, manipulation, or human error. But with blockchain, each vote becomes a unique block in the chain. It's encrypted, immutable, and transparent. This makes it nearly impossible for anyone to tamper with the votes, but that's not all. Blockchain also makes voting more accessible. Let's take a look at the case of West Virginia. In the 2018 midterm elections, West Virginia took a bold step. They used a blockchain-based app for military personnel overseas to vote. This made it possible for those serving abroad to participate in the democratic process without worrying about mailing in their ballots or dealing with time zone differences. The app, called VOTS, used a combination of blockchain technology and biometrics to ensure secure and transparent voting. Military personnel could cast their votes from anywhere in the world, and every vote was recorded on the blockchain, making it verifiable and transparent. The success of the West Virginia experiment shows the potential of blockchain in voting. It's not just about making voting more secure, it's also about making it more accessible, especially for those who can't make it to the polling stations. But remember, while blockchain has tremendous potential, it's not a magic bullet. It's a tool that can help us achieve a more secure and transparent voting process. But it still requires careful implementation and strong governance to ensure its successful application. From healthcare to supply chains to voting, blockchain has the potential to transform our world. But what are the key takeaways from this? Blockchain is more than just the technology behind Bitcoin. It's a revolutionary system that can transform industries and our daily lives. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned about the various applications of blockchain technology. It's clear that this innovative system holds immense potential across a variety of sectors, from healthcare to supply chain management and even voting. In the healthcare industry, blockchain can provide secure, immutable records, enabling better patient care and reducing fraud. By storing medical records on a blockchain, we can ensure that patient data is not only secure, but also readily accessible to authorized personnel. This can revolutionize the way we handle patient data, leading to more efficient healthcare systems. Next, let's consider the supply chain industry. Here, the transparency provided by blockchain can create a more efficient and reliable system. By recording each transaction on a blockchain, we can trace a product's journey from its origin to the consumer. This transparency can help in reducing counterfeiting, ensuring product quality, and even improving customer trust. And finally, in the world of voting, blockchain can help to make elections more secure and transparent. By using blockchain technology, we can create a system where votes are recorded in a way that is tamper-proof and easily auditable. This could lead to more trustworthy elections and a stronger democratic process. But these are just a few examples of how blockchain can be applied. The potential uses for this technology are vast and varied, limited only by our imagination. As we continue to explore and understand this technology, we may find ways to apply blockchain that we haven't even thought of yet. In conclusion, the potential of blockchain extends far beyond Bitcoin. It's a world-changing technology and we're just starting to see its impact. The transformative power of blockchain technology is here, and it's set to revolutionize not just industries, but our everyday lives. As we move forward, it's exciting to think about the new possibilities that blockchain will bring.